A barbecue sauce from right here in Edmonton has been named the best sauce on the planet. Motley Que's Sticky Fix sauce recently took top prize at the American Royal Barbecue Sauce Contest in Kansas City. Joining us now is Joe Semick, co-owner of Motley Que. Good morning, Joe.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Always a good day when you can talk about barbecue sauces. So what was it like to win the best on the planet? How did this happen?
It was kind of surreal. We'd hoped we'd finish well, but we didn't really expect to finish that well, so it was kind of a nice surprise. The American Royal, it's a big contest. They call it the World Series of Barbecue. They run two contests a year. One's for actual cooking, that's in the fall, and then in the spring they do one for sauce and seasoning. So we sent in our entire product line, and fingers crossed, and then we get the phone call a couple of days before they announced it that we'd actually won not only our category, but we had a perfect score. Therefore, we won the overall, and they dubbed us the best sauce on the planet.
How tough was the competition? So how do you think you got top score? What were they looking for?
If I knew the secret to judges, I'd be able to make a fortune selling it to other barbecue teams. So I think it was a bit of just kind of where I think barbecue sauce might be trending this year. I think people are more interested in kind of a sweet sauce. So that was right up our alley with that. And of course, a bit of luck. We got sent to the right table of judges that seemed to hit all their taste buds they liked.
That's awesome. Why did you decide to create a business dedicated to sauces and seasonings?
Well, it just kind of morphed into that. We'd originally started, had a little food truck and grew into another food truck and catering, and people were like, oh, I really like this sauce, you guys should bottle it. So it's like, well, let's try that. So we bottled it up, and we started selling some, and then we decided, well, that might be a bit more of the focus, the sauce and seasoning. And so we actually moved from where we were living up north to Edmonton to completely focus on the sauce and seasonings, and it's been a wild ride ever since.
It's pretty incredible because there's a lot of sauces out there. So I'm sure it's not easy to go onto the market and show your product. So what do you think is different about yours, and what other products do you have?
Well, we've got 14 products right now, with a 15th about to come out soon. We got 4 sauces and 10 seasonings. We like to be your typical small business. We're involved in every bottle that goes out. We do it in small batches so we can ensure the quality. And I've just got a great people surrounding me, starting with my wife, and we've got some great friends and family. And so we just pump out what we can, and we work hard at it and make sure we try to put out a great quality, consistent product.
That is awesome. And you talk about culture of barbecue on social media. So what do you mean by that?
Culture of barbecue, it's great. It's kind of like the community. Who could ever be mad at a barbecue? You're always over. Everybody's having fun. You're talking about, people are making, hey, I need help with this. Can you help me with this? So the case is, it's the essential of camaraderie, I guess. It's everybody's friends and family. It's gathering. It's nothing but a good atmosphere, and that's kind of the culture of barbecue. We found, even before we'd won this award, we had plenty of other people in the barbecue community that we could go to, we could get advice from, we've given advice to people. It's just an amazing group of people.
It does bring people together, and I think too, it's pretty much in every single country song. You gotta love it. Has anything changed since you've been named top barbecue sauce on the planet? People, ordering in?
Well, we've had a lot more of these interviews, that's for sure, and we've definitely had to amp up production a fair bit. We've just gone, it's actually exploded since this has come out, so we're getting a lot more orders, and we've got some amazing retailers out there, so people have been supporting them, and we're getting more and more people interested in carrying our products, so it's been just amazing.
And quickly, what classes do you teach?
We teach an introduction to Southern barbecue. So anybody, a lot of people, I'd like to get a smoker, but I don't know anything about it. And so often they do, but then a lot of people, like especially brisket, some of the big meats, they're scared to do it. It's an expensive piece of meat, cooking such a big piece. So we help in showing people basically the years of things I've done wrong to be able to get down with a really good brisket and stuff like that. So we teach them what not to do and definitely what to do, give them a tried and tested method to make some great barbecue at home.
That is so cool that you're passing along the knowledge. That's amazing. It has been such a pleasure, Joe. Thanks for sharing your BBQ tips with us this morning.
Well, thank you for having us.
For more information, you can visit motleyque.ca or find them on social media.